Hello everyone, today I will show you how to select a page in a PDF file using Nitro Pro PDF Editor. Open your PDF file with Nitro Pro PDF and now I will select these PDF pages. Click on this right sidebar page thumbnail icon and here you will find this page thumbnail and click on this page. Here you can select one page and one click. And if you want to select multiple pages, drag your mouse cursor and select multiple pages and see this. Also you can select all of pages, click one page and press Ctrl A from your keyboard and select all pages and see this. Now you can rotate all of them at once and see this. And also you can select a specific page. Select first one and press Ctrl key from your keyboard and hold it and select another one and see this. In this way you can select a specific pages and see this. Yeah, this is. And finally select this file option, save or save as a PDF file. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe, like, share and comment.